Hello and welcome to another video on Surds. I just want to have a bit of a recap. So today we'll be looking at square roots in Surds. But first things first, let's just have a recap on, hopefully you watched my previous video. Let's say you have square root of x, y. Well, that can be the same as square root of x multiplied by the square root of y. However, that multiplication symbol is implied. So it'd just be square root x, square root y. So what we'll do in this video is just look at a few examples of where we might be able to simplify some of the square roots, some of the surds, because we might have a square root inside a surd. So let me demonstrate what I mean by that. So let's say we have the square root of 28. This is a surd because it cannot be simplified into a whole number, but what we can do is we can say that that is also the same as the square root of 4 multiplied by 7, which is the same as square root 4 multiplied, again the multiplication symbol is implied, so I'm going to leave it out for now, multiplied by the square root of 7. And the square root of 4 is 2, and we can't do anything with that 7, square root 7, because it's a surd. So we've just simplified it a little bit here. Let's try another one then. So let's try square root of 45, and that is the same as square root of 9 multiplied by 5, which is the same as square root 9. Square root 5, square root of 9 is 3, so that is equal to 3 multiplied by the square root of 5. Again, I've mentioned this probably a million times in these last few videos, but when we see a square root symbol like this, the 2 is implied, and we will, at a later date, much down the line, we will look at cube root and fourth roots and so on and so forth. Okay, let's try another one. So let's have square root of 80. So here we have square root of 16 multiplied by 5, and that will give us a square root of 16 multiplied by the square root of 5. Well, the square root of 16 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16, and then we're left with that square root 5. So you should be beginning to get the idea now. Let's try this last one. 25 multiplied by 6 is equal to square root of 25 square root of 6. Nothing we can do with a 6, so let's just put a line around there. But square root of 25 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25, so the square root of 25 is back to the 5. Nothing we can do with that 6 either. So hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea as to how you might identify a square root within a surd, to break it down to end up with a multiple of a smaller surd. And that is it for today. Please do like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions on this stuff, throw it in the comments as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video, whereby we will look to simplify surds in another way. Thanks for watching. Bye.